A warm good morning to all. Uh, this is yet another video about thermopolymer. The another type of thermopolymer, which is PolyTetraFluoroEthylene. This PolyTetraFluoroEthylene, which is commonly by its brand name Teflon, which we locally use it. It is a synthetic fluoropolymer of tetrafluoroethylene. It has a high performance plastics for its non-sticking character and resistance to heat and chemicals. Here are some key characteristics uses for this polytetrafluoroethylene. The first one is it has a non-sticking property. This PTFE has an PTFE, which is a short form of polytetrafluoroethylene, has a non-sticking property. Make it widely used for the non-stick cookers and frying pans to prevent food from sticking in it. Second one is chemical resistance. It is highly resistance to chemicals, acids and solvents. This property helps to used in for the various industrial applications which are exposed to the harsh chemicals as concerned. And it is high temperature resistance as it can withstand high temperature without significant degradation. It has a high melting point and remains as the stable temperature well above the boiling point of water, which is characteristically makes it as an useful application where heat resistance is crucial. The fourth one is low friction. The PTFE has a low efficient of friction, which means providing the excellent lubrication. This property helps us to suitable for various applications, includes bearings, seals and gaskets. And it is electrical insulations. PTFE as an electrical insulator make it valuably suited for the electrical and electronic applications, which is often used for the production of insulating material for wiring and cables. Biocompatibility. As PTFE is biocompatible and chemically inert, which makes it suitable for medical applications. Certain medical applications where it is used for the medical devices such as catheters and as the coating for certain surgical instruments. Weather resistance, as PTFE is resistance to weathering and UV radiation, it is much suitable for outdoor applications where exposure of the such an element is concerned. Lower coefficient of expansion. PTFE has a low coefficient of thermal expansion, mean does it not expands or contracts significantly with change in temperature. This property makes it suitable for different temperature conditions. Inertness. PTFE as chemically inert and not easily affected by other substances. This property contributes its overall stability and to the chemical resistance. As some potential properties includes it has no wetting and has an high abrasion resistance and high tensile structure, and moreover it has a good excellent dimensional stability and easy to wash and care. And also it is, as I already told, it can be used against it's a good resistance to chemicals, so it can be used as the containers to store chemicals, and so this properties plays a major role in making these PTFE, that is polytetrafluoroethylene. It can be used in various number of applications. The first one is in automotive industry. It is used as seat belt buckles, plastic buckles, and it is used in many as a coating for the underlaying of car in order to avoid the corrosions, and it is used in the industrial back covers where baking is done, because of its high heat resistance, high temperature resistance. It can be used in back covers where it can be where the food product is also used in that area. It is used as in the fasteners. In this you can see cutting pliers or small you can see the cutting plier handles or nose plier handles. It is made up of some plastics, right? Those plastics are nothing but the PTFE, that is polytetrafluoroethylene, that is commonly known as Teflon. It is used in the lawns and garden equipments, and it's used in the office automations. You can see a small white color tape, right? A small white tape which is used to roll around the pipes in order to have its fitness or in order to avoid the gap between two pipes, or in order to push the pipes inside so that a quick lock can be made in between the pipes. So this types of for such type of things we can see this PTFE, that is Teflon, is majorly used, and you can see in this you can see 2 carbon atoms and four fluorine atoms is used, and because of this high properties, that is high abrasion, unique electrical properties, high heat and chemical resistance, wetting properties, low coefficient of friction, easy wear and tear, you can see this PTFE is used in a number of applications in both automobile field